What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. Kingly Auto. In this video we're gonna talk about something that I think you guys should know about. So before I even start, make sure you guys check out my other videos. I got plenty of videos that talk about cars, how to fix your cars and everything. So make sure you guys check this video, especially females, okay? Because I know a lot of women out there, they're getting ripped off by mechanic, okay? So make sure you guys check those videos out. Like I say, especially females, because I make a lot of videos about how to fix stuff in your car. So make sure you guys check out those videos. So in this video today, I wanted to talk about something that I think a lot of you guys been questioning, like y'all trying to see what's going on with that part. So now, can you drive your car with missing lug nuts? Okay, for those that don't know what a lug nut is in your car, let me show you. This is your lug nut. Okay, now can you drive your car with a missing one? Absolutely, you can drive your car with a lug nut. Okay, so this car, I've been driving it with one missing lug nut, and it's in the front tire. It's in the front tire. Okay, I've been driving it with one missing lug nut, and guess what? It's safe to drive, nothing going on. So I'm saying that because, like I said, especially females, you might have a missing lug nut, and then mechanic trying to charge you a bunch of money just to order one for you, and they don't cost that much. Okay, they don't cost that much. So, and then if you don't have the money to put the lug nut, don't listen to the mechanic trying to tell you that it's not safe to drive with one missing. It is safe to drive. Now, do I recommend to drive it with a missing lug nut, like never replace it? No, you have to replace it, but you can drive it. It's still safe to drive it with one missing lug nut. Now, can I say you can drive it with two missing lug nut, two missing ones? Now that part I don't know, because I haven't tried that part yet, so I don't know, but I don't think it will be safe either. But can you drive it with three missing lug nuts? No, I don't think so. But with one missing, yes you can. Yes you can. Some of them got more than 4 lug nuts. Okay, it's depending on the car that you have, the tire. So yes, you can drive with one missing lug nut. Okay, as you guys can see here, like I said, I've been driving this for a long time, and then no issue with it, no accident, none of that. And then it's in the front tire. Okay, so yes, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So some of you guys might not find this video helpful, and some of you might find it helpful. So it's depending on who's watching the video and if you got a problem with it, or if you was wondering about it. So if you was wondering about it, so there you go. I save yourself I give you the answer to your question. Yes, you can drive your car with one missing lug nut. Not 2, not 3, but 1. You're safe to go. Okay, if you guys ever drive your car with like 3 missing lug nuts, let me know about that part. Okay, if you ever drive it with 2 missing lug nuts, let me know about that part. But I know for 1 for sure, you're good to go. Yes, you can drive it with 1 missing lug nut. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out.